Hey guys, now we're going to learn about Perplexity in just 10 minutes, less than 600 seconds. You're going to learn everything about it. So you can ask like, why do I even need Perplexity? Because one word, it is 100x better than Google. So let's get into it. For example, let's say if you type what is the latest trends in US, right? You don't actually get anything here. So let's copy this up and let's paste this in Perplexity. What's the latest trends in USA, right? So here what it does, it goes through the entire things of it. For example, top trending newsletters 2024, right? The customer trendings, all these things it goes through and it gives you the entire things. So basically ask about the trends. It shows AI. So coding assistants have growth 500-300% interest. That's a very good thing. Cloud and Perplexity AI is trending AI platforms. Search growth of 9,700 and 7,100. That's insane. AI voice generators, text to AI tools are gaining popularity. Digital twins are emerging technology, right? Then TikTok behavior. And this is a very small way. This is not even in the pro version, by the way. So you can also go in pro. Same thing with pro. It actually accesses much more things. So I'm going to show you what are the basic things in Perplexity right now. So it's very simple. It's very similar to like ChatGPT and how it works. It gives more sources. So here Perplexity, you have an icon. There is a collapsible button in the top. The icon seems like a open folder windmill turbine or something. So they want the infinity and stuff and made it like this. And you can have another chat and it is home. There is a discover page in Perplexity, so where you can discover all the news. It is like a news panel. So whatever the people are creating, it can have. So there is a top here. So it shows Taiwan energy crisis. It's basically your news. This thing, there is tech science, there is finance. So what are the things that are happening inside? And there is sports, arts. There's so many things. You can save your interest. For example, mine is tech and science, right? And I've saved the interest directly. It is saved. So all these things, it will also act as a complete end-to-end news channel. So there is a library. Library is where you can create the search results. So here the search results are called as threads. So whatever the entire searches that I do, it completely follows here. So there is a section called as pages. So what pages does is you can create a certain thing into a page and it is SEO optimized. It can actually give an SEO optimize and you can share it with people. I will show it to you how you can do that as well. So this is the library part and this is the settings. You can browse in incognito as well if you don't want to know whom you're actually searching and stuff. And you have settings in the down. So this is how the settings part look like. You can have both light mode and you can also have dark mode, right? And also you can have the system mode, which is what is the backend of system does it. Then you can have multiple languages. So there is also Hindi here. So Chinese, French, whatever it is, the entire languages, auto suggestions and all. So because I have the pro subscription, I have all these things. So you have the AI models, the image gen models. So it can also include image gen as well. So Playground 3, it is from Perplexity. Here they have a diffusion, DALI and Flux. So we're going to talk about all of these things and this is how it actually works in general. So this is how the appearance actually looks like. So once you have this, you have the language and you can customize your avatar and you can also have the option to remove if you don't want your data to be trained with Perplexity. So that's a very good option. Every AI company should do it. Yeah. So your data should not be used. I actually put it on because it knows my preferences. So this is the best where the AI models actually works. So here in the AI models, right? So you have multiple things. So you can select default modes. So basically it will be Sonar large or these things, but I use Claude 3.5 on it because it writes human. It is the best model out there that works with Perplexity. So Sonar, there are the couple of models. So Sonar is a model which is by Perplexity itself, and you can use GPT-4 and Claude 3.5. And for image generation, I love Flux. I will show you all the things that you can do with here. If you want support, you can directly go to the Discord here. Many people are using a lot of these things, and you can also refer a friend. For every referral you get $10 and they get $10. So you can have like you can send your referral link to them and you get money from it. So they also have a very good referral program, and you can sign out of the sessions. So once you got through it, you have the profile section, and you can introduce your profile. So for example, you can say that in the profile, hey, I am an AI engineer, AI builder, and this is how I make things. So you can give all of your processes and all these things in the prompt, maybe like what you do in a daily basis, what exactly you expect out of Perplexity. You are a research that researches in AI and help me to stay on top of things, trends, and news. So what we're telling AI is like it's kind of all the things that it needs to do. It needs to be a researcher. That's what the whole thing is. So I save it up. So it actually remembers what the exact thing is, and it's even asking me questions, right? What specific area are more interested in? Generative AI, AI trends, AI builds, ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Flux, AI tools, and so much more. How do you stay updated on AI trends and developments? By newsletters, right? It's asking me questions. That's a very good thing. By Google Trends, by Google News, by, let's say, AI newsletters, right? By Google News, by Google Trends, by YouTube channels, by Reddit, and by Twitter, right? What inspired me to, I started as an AI engineer, and now I'm building solutions on my own to help people. So this is all these things. I'm just getting it done. So it's asking me more questions right now. I'm working on every AI. Replace multiple AI tools to improve the quality for businesses. Help them, right? Lack of education in folks about AI, higher subscription cost, AI tools and learning and research. So let's say these are the things that I actually talked and asked and shared with them, and it's not even asking more. So it's actually knows what right now. So these are the questions that you can answer in general with Perplexity, and it knows more things about you. So I think, this is pretty good thing. So then it's asking me, like, I asked it to write a story based on me. So it actually remember everything about you. So when even these things, right, it's actually giving us a lot of good things. So let's go back. Then this is the API part of it. So why you think you need API? Let's say you want to use some of the keys, stuff like that. There are a lot of things that you can use for API directly, maybe using in something else. So we are using Perplexity in every AI as well. So online models, factual, right? So topic references. So you can directly have use Perplexity in your system as well, which is the Perplexity API. So you can literally have the key, you will get the key here, completions and all these things here. So this is the settings and everything model. So let's go to a new chat. So you just need to press enter, plus here you will have like a new chat, and you can ask anything. So the best part here is, let's say let's do a very topic on how to make So let's take the topic of like AI newsletter, right? So let's do a newsletter. Today is 28th October. So we need to, our whole target is to make a newsletter for today, right? What are the AI trends on, let's say, yesterday, 7th October 2024. So here we actually directly ask it what are the AI trends on 7th October. So let's give the same question to Google. It's giving us a lot of BS trends and all these things. So here, so you see, it's an AI researcher based in Dubai, right? It's actually behaving like that person. So generative AI remains more significant. Multi-models, AI for work productivity, repetitive tasks, AI for science, open source AI. Give me top AI news in the last 48 hours. I didn't find anything good, right? So we're asking it what are the top AI things in the top 48 hours, right? No, this is not what I'm expecting. Okay, maybe this. What are the top products in product hunt yesterday? And you know how Perplexity works best? Like Perplexity works best when, see this, product hunt October 27, this one. So dashboards allow create AI agents, tabs magic, these things. So where it is getting it from? It's going to this page, leaderboard daily of product hunt, and it is getting it from here, from this page itself, right? Daily, weekly. We actually need to check how the whole thing is there. Dashboard, bots, tabs magic, open code, indie merge, 7 votes, 5 votes in the sales category. So here we got the page, and we get all these things: OpenVB terminal, open code AI, thermo, AirPod, API docs. So we can give all these things. Tabs magic, it took one of the tools from there. So literally give all the 5 or something, right? Get all the info of the products. So basically it goes through all of the products, see, collect the info. So this is the good part. You can give it proper instructions. It goes through all of them. So OpenBB terminals and all these things, right? Collect detailed information about OpenCords.ai, OpenCords and more. Collect information about Theona. Collect information about Tabs Magic. Collect information about Repo.cloud. So all these things it does on its own, and it is insane where it actually looks. It's going to the website, it's going to product hunt, it's going to dev, some random site that mentioned it, Indian Express, SaaS Genius, and you can go through any of them and you can have all these things, right? So it can have smart investments, this. So like let's say WorkOS promoter, all these things, right? Here we want 5 tools for our newsletter. So in this format, the main thing for AI is you should mention what exactly you want. In this format, AI tool in a category, why it is good and why it matters, in less than 10 words, and one example. So 1 sentence example of how they can use it. So basically we are actually saying that, hey, we want 5 tools for a newsletter. It's going through a lot. See, it's going through all the things, buffer, hootsuite, hotspot. It's going through all the YouTube videos and things. So Rasa, Farse, growth bar, and your topic and growth bar get paragraphs. Basically, we can have these 5 things. Imagine that and just copy it, paste it up, and yeah, let's say we create a doc and we create a newsletter from there. English, why is it Portuguese? I don't know. So yeah, we have the tool category of AI tools, right? We just need to iterate it afterwards. So you got 5 tools that is good for your audience in any way possible that you want. We can also ask it like make it into best format. So the whole point is like the entire thing that you want, the entire research, which is good. See, it's actually making more appealing. So from here we just copy it up, these things, paste it here. Yeah, got good points that you can use, how to use. So you can use Beehive or anything that actually works for you, right? How to use. Yeah, this is good. This is one part of the newsletter is done. 5 AI tools. Collect top 20 Google News of yesterday regarding AI. So we are asking it to collect, search for Google. It's reasoning here. So it's, you can see skip advanced reasoning, it's reasoning all the things that's happening. So 3 reasons to buy Nvidia stock before 9, these things, right? These are the things that is there. So it's going through all of these things, how the top emerging topics of 2024 world and all these things. I have a very good hack that I can show you. Okay, it's saying it can't able to do it. So let's ask it something else. Yeah, it says it can't able to do it. So let's do one thing. So let's go to the next step. So this is the update on this thing. So let's focus on the focus mode. So in this mode you can actually have it to beta. So let's say video now. So what happens, so what is this mode is, you can go to academia, which searches for academic papers, math, it solves particularly equations, writing, so it basically acts as a writing assistant, let's say like a LinkedIn post. So basically it's much more focused on draft of these things, like you can give some particular examples and stuff. So it acts like a writing assistant compared to like ChatGPT or Claude. So that is the whole point of it. So you can also add video and socials. So for example, let's say we're adding video. What are the AI trends in last week? What happens here is, when you type the AI trends, it's actually thinks what is the AI trends, everything, and it only goes through the videos of YouTube. See, the most important AI trends in 2024, all these things, tapped on amazing news and stuff, right? Here you get, because the initial model it's searching all the web, now it is only searching for these things. So model like GPT-4o and Gemini are processing natural language complexity, right? Advanced AI things. Search only the videos of from, let's say 5th October 2024 to 8th October 2024. So it understands that only searching trending content published between this and this. So we know that the content is fresh. It goes through a lot of them, AI applications. So promo AI breaks. So it's actually giving us the video. So it's going through all of these things. AI updates, you know, 10 on October, lives at AI trend updates, all these things. We can also give particular channels. and we can ask it like, from this, what exactly you can ask. From all the knowledge, give me top 10 things with AI. So what it does is, once you actually are using Perplexity, you can know if the info is right or not. Like, you can concentrate on what exactly you want. So these are the things. See, these are the top announcements that's happening. OpenAI Dev Day announcement. So what they did: real-time AI voice to speech, that's true. Vision fine-tuning, that's true. Model distillation, right? Smaller efficient models, AI virtual agents, Microsoft reasoning AI. See, Microsoft raised a fund of 6.6 billion. That is actually true, which is, it's taken from this video, right, from 2nd October. And Microsoft Copilot updates AI in software development. There is a shift from AI models to software development. This is pretty good, right? Now give me 20 insights in pointers to make me with best insights with zero fluff and pure direct value. So I'm asking it concise regarding recent developments with no fluff and reasoning. So trends in October, it's going through all of the videos again. You can ask it. See, it went to the entire OpenAI Dev Day. So what's new in October? All the AI videos. You don't need to watch all of these things. Now Gemini are advancing integrating video processing. So basically image and video processing, that's something new. Smaller efficient AI models. OpenAI introduced this thing. OpenAI raised 6.6. Fine-tuning images, right? Open source models, Llama 3.2. The, like, so many models are releasing. AI being replaced in specific domain and legal, right? So these are some of the things that only happen, these things. So I really like it. This employees is becoming shadow AI. Unofficial use of AI tools is becoming concern for organizations because people are using these things. So let's say we really like it this, and we want to make we can just copy this up, go here. So here the section is AI tools, right? Yeah. So let's say we keep it here, right? AI details. So Control V. So you have 20 points here, right, which can be integrated. So now give me 5 points that a businessman should know about AI. So this can be anything. So development of AI agents in horizontal task, Optimus 1 showing near human performance in environments. So once you got the 20 points, which is regarding these things, right, then we will go to one other thing, which is, let's say the other is the focus on Reddit socials. So what are the top things trending in AI from October 2, 2024 to October 8, 2024 in all trending posts. So what trending post means is the posts that are actually going on top in Reddit. So it's actually reading all the posts. So for example, someone made this, someone made this, someone made this. So now we actually discussed facts. Now we want to discuss the things that actually are maybe coming in. See this, AI applications, mobile AI and LLMs, that's maybe coming to a trend. AI generated content is going trend in TikTok, AI and business and scientific breakthroughs. So we can ask like, give me 5 points that are taken from top 5 things. Give me top 5 points that are taken from top 5 things in yeah, you can say top 5 things in top Reddit posts. That top Reddit posts. So it's going through all the filters and stuff, right? So site, Reddit, AI trends October 24, AI news, all these things. So it's showing that something what is expected of it went to Singularity, which is a very good one. It has 139 votes, and it actually is coming with all these things. Oh, nice. That's a very old one, by the way. I don't know why it took it. Just go to specify the date. So yeah, now we're actually asking it to specify the date. It's always better for AI to check it because it's not 100% true, even it's 10 months back, right? So what we can do is, like, you can actually go here and type AI and it will show you all the posts. So go to time and go to maybe like past week. So here in Reddit, so basically all of these things are there. You can just copy it, paste it, and you can give it here. Read this and let me know. So what happens is you're giving the link that from here itself, and from there it actually goes through and collects all the info if we want. Yeah, Cyberpunk Samurai, AI and gaming and stuff and all these things. So it's an AI photo. So once you get these things, it's much more easier. This is not a photo, this is an AI and stuff, and also it will go through all the comments. So here we are getting something that people need, so you can get those things up. So AI generated image, interest in AI art, AI and gaming. So someone is saying about AI and gaming, AI and EU arts and all these things. Now you can copy this stuff up, maybe like 1-2 points here. Yeah, so AI can predict heart attacks and stuff. So here you have it. We can add those points in, and you get all the things. Now what we do, we go to ChatGPT or things, right? Then we actually make it to all these things. So this is how you write a newsletter. So you can read, discuss and all these points. And the best part I need, let's say I want to make a video about how OpenAI is formed, right? So I can ask, like, give me the, I'm just using the entire web, give me the story of how OpenAI formed, right? I just click enter. So it researches everywhere here, summarizes the findings and things. So it reads all the blogs, Wikipedia, all the different sources, and it gives me the entire things. So it was founded by these awesome men, founding year, mission, goals, transmission, cap to profit. So it has all the thing literally like how you exactly need it, and you can literally click on it and it will open to other sources, right? Then you can copy this up, you can give to Gamma to create an entire PPT, or you can directly give it to any other use case and stuff. You can directly use it in presentations and things. You don't need to do all the research. You can literally give it to GPT to create a script for you. So this is the ultimate research assistant that you can have, and also it can give you a lot of things that you need in general. So this is how you can use Perplexity in all these things, and it's pretty useful only for the follow-up modes. And let's say you really liked this, right? Then this is how you convert into page. There is an option here. So here there is an add to collection. You can create different collections and add it to it, or you can convert to a page. What happens, you can convert to a pages. Once you convert to a page, it will become like a blog. So it makes sense, like, hey, this is the founder by every AI foundation mission. It literally became a blog page, and it is become searchable, and you can share it with any of the person that you want. So literally like making blogs. So right, once within one click it became a blog. It's writing itself again. So what are the major breakthroughs? So research paper with these developments and all these things. So it's very good that all the things that we know here, right? You can share it here, you can edit it, you can add media, right? See, literally within a single click you added the media, right? And you can edit this thing up however you want. and let's say I want to add a media structural changes. It's finding the best image on the internet. So yeah, it just finds the timeline. Let's say change, so maybe I just put it here, right? Just finding the media. I think it will give the same. So this can be the story of AI, right? So people can directly watch it here itself on different sources and stuff. You can preview it. So let me publish it. So the foundation is live on Perplexity. The link is copied. You can copy it, you can paste it here, and that's pretty much all. You have an entire blog post with the completely responsive, and there are other things, Sam Altman, OpenAI, there are other blogs. So basically it also became like a blogging platform, which is insanely good, right? And blog. So, and also you can edit the pages, share it, and those are completely searchable. So this is also one of the good feature with Perplexity. You can become anything that you want. You can ask questions, you can share it with people, have the knowledge, convert it into scripts and all these things. So this is the insane tool that you use, and there are no ads, nothing. There is no SEO thing. You always get the right info for you all the time, and this is insane on how you can do it. And people are using, you can also use it for coding. The best use I can use is like how to code in Python, right? I can ask it to even check Stack Overflow. So it's compiling a list of Python beginner guides, right? It's going through all the videos in Python, and it does for you. So you can give any complex task, it goes through all the web and do it for you, right? So one more example is can you find me ideas that are super profitable in 2024 with AI that I can make money right now. So yeah, why not? Everyone searches for it. So it's searching for profitable AI ideas 2024. So all the things, all the blogs, it literally 20 blogs, which is like crazy. Gathering additional information. So it's literally talking about AI powered content creation, customizable chatbots, right? AI enabled support, multimodal AI applications, telecom manufacturing. So these things, let's say I want to start it as solopreneur. So similarly, you can also do this. It's pretty good. So it searches for most profitable ideas for solopreneurs with AI, and see this, all the different things it is searching from, what it is searching online. So the algorithm is pretty insane for this. So it's going through these videos, right? So customizable inputs, tones, the chatbot developments, AI driven personal nutrition plans, right? 30 most it's going through this blog, AI based personal shopper and stuff. So all the things that you can have, the more niche you can go, the more higher you can go with it. I even made an entire Chrome extension using this. I will link the link here in the YouTube itself, and you can actually watch it up and go follow for other videos. And we are going to do so much awesome stuff on deep down guides and things like that. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.